OJT, why not? Just send your, I don't know, I'll turn your scoop and skillet and then basin, pwede siguro. Kwek niya na cucumber? No?
Bye-bye.
It sounds good.
Kwek niya na cucumber, sounds good.
Hi, you look so cute.
Say hi to Tisha. Say hello. Later, guys.
Bye, safe trip, safe trip.
Until when I stay in Manila.
Is Zoe in the Barqueta?
Yeah, she's in school, she has school.
What time?
She has school. Safe trip.
I'll try to stay.
What time is she done with school?
5
Coming.
next week.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Sige, go ahead. Ingat.
See you, safe trip. Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Bye, Yul.
Ya, or may hapon sa ta. Balik na pa ni hapon. Dan, asa na may hapon ron?
Tanaw natin, bisasa. Close me ron.
Melting pot. Right? Gutom na po ko.
Gusto na pod ka?
Gutom na po.
Ano naman ang gawang
Can Zoe streak Bisaya? Yes, makasabot og Bisaya si Zoe. Sige guys, muna na may pickleball na ron. So,
How many do you have now?
Ay, da Yula. What's up? Yula sa una
Pro 4.
Pro 4.
Why? Let me watch it.
Then I transferred to this Alpha. What's this?
Alpha.
Camito Alpha.
One.
Mayroon po.
Love water.
I wanna try now,
Suloy ako ah.
no,
Love water, please.
I wanna try, what's that? Boomstick. I wanna buy a
Okay lang.
boomstick, but I heard
Mahal
dali daw
kay
magbuba.
bay?
Mahal ra pud lagi.
Useless kayo? Kanira.
Duwa ang tanan.
Lay, kapang grip.
What's yours?
Na may yula po na ang grip git.
Ayula. Parehas sa kuha sauna?
Yeah, but different colorway. Murag. Just color.
Where do you order that?
Kaniya, Sarah got this for Christmas na ko.
Parehas sa
Gift
mga
na ko.
racket tanan good.
Nice.
Wow, love. We're still live. Ano mo bias? Yes mo, ano yung bias this week? Namin pickleball courts pud bias pa. Wala.
Sige. Ano sa man?
Ni ato ni sila invite para mag-pickle ta dito.
It's a cute pickup.
Ganira mo din sa.
Give me 30 minutes.
Dito ko putak na ako lang fit ha. Butang grill, may nata kayo.
Then, thanks.
What?
I told him.
Tagda ko.